In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned website creator or just starting out, knowing how to save your work properly is crucial. Imagine spending hours customizing your site only to lose everything because you forgot to save. We definitely don't want that happening. So I'll take you through the step-by-step process to ensure your progress is secure. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to save your work like a pro every time you make changes. Let's dive in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Open your browser, head over to the Wix website, and enter your login credentials. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step, but make sure you're in the correct account that has access to the website you want to work on. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites section. You'll typically find this option in the top menu bar after signing in. It's where all your created websites are listed, so it's the go-to place for managing your projects. Take a moment to locate the site you want to work on within this section. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're clicking on the right one to avoid making changes to the wrong project. After selecting the website you want to save, you'll be directed to its dashboard. From here, you'll need to enter the Wix website editor. This is the heart of where your design and customization magic happens. To access the editor, simply click on the Edit Site button. The editor will load up, giving you access to all the tools and features you use to customize your website. Now that you're in the editor, let's focus on saving your work. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Save. This is your best friend when it comes to preserving your progress. It's important to get into the habit of using this button frequently, especially when you're making significant updates or adjustments to your site. Click the Save button. When you do, Wix will secure your current progress. Depending on your settings, you might be prompted to name this version of your save. For example, you could label it something like Homepage Update or New Blog Post Layout. Giving your saves descriptive names can be useful if you ever need to track changes or revert to an earlier version. That's it! Your work is now saved. However, it's important to make saving a regular part of your workflow. You don't want to rely solely on autosave features, though Wix does have them, because manually saving gives you peace of mind and ensures you're in control of when and how your progress is secured. A good rule of thumb is to save your work every time you make significant changes. Whether you're adding new images, tweaking your layout, or adjusting your site's text, saving frequently reduces the risk of losing your hard work. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your Wix website is always backed up and ready for publishing or further editing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.